Where's Waldo? Seriously, I'm not kidding. Call 911 if I die. I'm in trouble. Boom! Happy Halloween! Did you find Waldo? I did. I'm him. You know what time it is. It's Halloween. Trouble was Waldo last year for Halloween, and I'm jealous. So I stole that bitch's look. Who you calling a bitch? It's here. It's Halloween. Second favorite / third favorite holiday of the year. Obviously Christmas is the first. I'm gonna show you how to make festive cocktails, right? Mocktails you can make for your kids or your grandkids or your sober friends, because we appreciate them as well. We're gonna make fun, festive, spooky Halloween cocktails, and we're gonna start now. Jason, are you ready for the spooky green slimy cocktail first?
Yes.
So, for this cocktail, you're gonna need Midori, Saint-Germain, a little pineapple juice, and a little shaky, shaky, shake, shake, shake. All right, and then the secret ingredient, which is not gonna be a secret after this, but put some regular ice in your gorgeous martini shaker from Gary's. And you wanna add 3 ounces of Midori. This is 1 ounce per one. Look at that, it looks like antifreeze. That's how butch I am. Coloring outside the lines. My first encounters. And then we're gonna do equal parts pineapple juice, which I'm just gonna, 1, 2, 3. That worked. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, there we go. See my skull? Oh.
Let me.
So as you can see, so right now you got your swampy haunted house New Orleans thing. This is dry ice. Ready? Do you see that? Come on, Jason. Look at that. Who says Halloween isn't fun? Who says?
You look like a mad scientist with those glasses.
Are you trying to say that you're attracted to me?
Pretty sure I said mad, but...
Mad means crazy / crazy for you. Like Crazy in Love, Beyonce and Jay-Z.
Bitch, what? Bitch, what?
Oh my God, that's really good. It's a sweet drink, it's good. The only thing, quite frankly, that I would do, is I usually don't put sugary stuff in my drinks. I would put probably like a little vodka up in this. You know what I'm saying?
2 shots of vodka.
I'm really proud of my concoction. Well, I'm gonna give this one 5 skulls for sure. Because it's Halloween and I'm feeling festive, you can't get better than this. There's no boiler room in the other cocktails. So, 5 skulls. Now, round 2. Now, we're gonna do a little apple cider, white sugar, brown sugar rim, a little caramel pumpkin butter, a little bourbon. Yeah, I know, your mouth just watered. Dip your glass first in your apple cider, then this is brown and white sugar just combined together. I used like light brown sugar, which I usually would like to use dark because then the rim comes out darker, okay? So, but it still looks festive, right? Now you break out the good stuff. This is what my grandfather would like. So you take your little bourbon, and I want to actually mix this up in one of my glasses. So we'll do that. 3 ounces of bourbon if you are my kind of people. But if you're like a light drinker, you just kind of like want to sip on one all night, maybe just, you can make it, it's really 2 ounces of bourbon. And then you want to do 2 scoops caramel pumpkin butter from Williams-Sonoma. Teaspoons, tablespoons, it's in between. It's not a real measure. I'm gonna do a couple shakes of bitters. Bam, bam, bam. Mix it up. Because you want the butter to obviously blend in. And basically you don't even have to strain this, right? Because you need ice in the drink anyway. Now I like a lot of ice in my drinks. So I fill fill it all the way up. You garnish it with a few apple slices. Look at that. Oh. And because it's Halloween, put a little spider in there. Nothing says the fall like apple cider and bourbon. Wow, it's actually really good. I would say it's a 4 skulls out of 5, but now it's a 5. Come on! You cannot be mad at this video. You cannot throw shade at this video right now. This is fun. Okay, on to our third one. So we're gonna do a little gin. We're gonna do a little blue curacao. Club soda, cranberry juice. And then we're gonna do a little lemons, fresh lemon juice. Again, depending on your alcohol intake, you can use whatever measurement you like. I'm not gonna measure this one. 1, 2, okay. I'm gonna do a little blue curacao. Pretend you're in Cancun, Mexico. It's senior trip. You're like, yeah, give me one of those adios mother, you know. Squeeze of a lemon. I like to do a half. And we are going to finish it off with a little club soda, a little Pellegrino. Put your little straw in there, mix it up. Look how dark and sexy it is. This is a dark and stormy. You take your little eyeballs that you have. I forgot that these sink. So you can see that has the eyeballs. And really the first one, because it was green, that's why I had the dry ice, but everything's gonna have dry ice in it now. There we go. Now, I have a spooky eyeball cocktail. Dark and stormy, dark and stormy. 3, I think, iconic Halloween cocktails that are easy. I know, listen, we know each other, right? We're cut from the same cloth. All of us, right? That's why we're family. That's why you have this in your house. Maybe not the eyeballs, but pick your least best friend and just cut theirs out. And I hope you guys enjoy these cocktails. And again, you can make mocktails for your kids, for your grandkids, for your sober friends. If you're sober yourself, if you want to have fun on Halloween, if you have one of these and this has no liquor in it, how much fun is this? Thank you again. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. I love when you comment. I love responding. Ring the bell for notifications and subscribe. And we can be best friends forever. I guess I will see you in November. Thanks so much. Bye.